If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Nintendo Switch, follow these steps to help improve your gaming experience. This guide will walk you through troubleshooting and optimizing your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test on another device. If your speed is lower than expected, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Move closer to your router. If you're using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router. Physical obstructions and distance can weaken the signal. A stronger connection can help reduce lag spikes during gameplay. Step 3. Use a wired connection. For the best performance, consider using a wired connection. You can connect your Nintendo Switch to the internet via an Ethernet adapter. This can provide a more stable and faster connection compared to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Close background applications. Make sure to close any applications running in the background on your Nintendo Switch. Background downloads or updates can consume bandwidth and lead to lag spikes during gameplay. Step 5. Update your system's software. Regularly check for system updates for your Nintendo Switch. Keeping your console updated can improve performance and fix any bugs that may be causing lag. Go to System Settings, then select System and choose System Update to check for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes on your Nintendo Switch and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.